5 класс. Английский язык. Поход по магазинам. Домашнее задание. Страница 106. English. Spotlight 5. Going shopping. Homework page 106. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please, page number 106. 106. Exercise number 1. Vocabulary. Letter A. Shops and products. Which shops can you see in the shopping center? Where are they? Going shopping. Какие магазины вы можете видеть в торговом центре? Где они находятся? Bakery. Florists. Cafe. Shoe shop. Newsagents. Greengrocers. Toy shop. Bookshop. Chemists. Record shop. Fast food restaurant. Clothes shop. Jewelers. I can see a florist shop called Laura's. The florist is next to Benny's on the first floor. Benny's is a shoe shop. The shoe shop is between Laura's and Karen's on the first floor. Karen's is the clothes shop. The clothes shop is next to Benny's on the first floor. Brown's is a bookshop. The bookshop is next to Karen's on the first floor. Top Hits is a record shop. The record shop is next to Lloyd's on the ground floor. Lloyd's is chemists. The chemists is between Top Hit and Diana's on the ground floor. Diana's is a jewelers. The jewelers is between Lloyd's and Burgerland on the ground floor. Burgerland is the fast food restaurant. The fast food restaurant is between Diana's and Toyland on the ground floor. Toyland is a toy shop. The toy shop is between Burgerland and Anne's on the ground floor. Anne's is the newsagents. The newsagents is next to Toyland on the ground floor. Ground floor. The rule. We use a, an with singular countable nouns when we mention something for the first time. We use the when it is clear which person thing we mean. Benny's is a shoe shop. The shoe shop is next to Karen's. Exercise number 1, letter B. You are at the shopping center. Act out short dialogues. Вы в торговом центре. Разыграйте короткий диалог. Используйте слова пара ботинок, несколько тюльпанов, CD, юбка, магазин, аспирин, книга, плюшевый мишка, еда, кольцо. So, what do you want to buy? A pair of shoes. Let's go to Benny's. Where is it? On the first floor. The answer. So, what are you going to buy? A ring. Let's go to Toyland. Where is it? On the ground floor. So, what are you going to buy? A book. Let's go to Laura's. Where is it? On the first floor. So, what are you going to buy? Some aspirin. Let's go to Lloyd's. Where is it? On the ground floor. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, reading. Listen to and read the dialogue and mark the sentences from 1 to 6. T, true, or F, false. Прослушайте и прочитайте диалог на странице 107 и отметьте предложение от 1 до 5. Верно, T, или неверно, F. Hi, Kelly. How are you? Hi, Emma. I'm well, thanks. What about you? I'm well, too. Do you like my new shoes? I was at the mall yesterday with my mom. We were in Benny's shoe shop because there was a sale on. Oh, I love them. Were they expensive? No, they weren't. They were really cheap. Only £15. Were there any sandals in the sale? Yes, there were lots. Do you want to go to Benny's shoe shop together this afternoon? Then you can see. We can have snack at the Rainforest Cafe too. Good idea. I love the food there. The answer. Emma was at the shopping center with Kelly yesterday. Kelly thinks Emma's new shoes are nice. Emma's new shoes were cheap. Kelly and Emma decide to go to the mall together today. Emma doesn't like the Rainforest Cafe. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.
I fly so blue in the sky, even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once,